If you're looking for a cheap used car on Facebook Marketplace, start by searching with the right filter, set your location, choose a price range, and select private sellers to avoid dealership markups. Use keywords like must sell, OBO or best offer, or needs gone to find motivated sellers. Always check the listing details carefully, looking for red flags like vague descriptions or limited photos, and message the seller with specific questions about the car's condition, history, and any necessary repairs. Before committing, research the car's market value using Kelley Blue Book or similar sites to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Arrange to meet the seller in a public place, bring a friend for safety, and inspect the vehicle thoroughly, checking for engine issues, rust, and test driving it if possible. Finally, negotiate confidently but respectfully, and always verify the title and paperwork before handing over any money. Following these steps can help you find a reliable, cheap used car on Facebook Marketplace while avoiding scams and hidden problems.